Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. The gold market, as you can see, there's two important moments. First is that double repo buy pattern that has been formed in starting on October right here has been completed. So market has reached minor target here. As 50% resistance of this recent thrust of the double repo has been touched. So minimal target has been completed. Second, market has reached our predefined level of resistance. Initially we thought, and this is still possible, that this could become the turning point for downward continuation. So technically, if we would suggest that market is driving purely by the technical factor, here we in general should search chances for taking the short. But coming elections have brought some adjustment to normal behavior, and you can see in the recent week, you can see this recent 5 sessions, market has turned to real rush of the upward action on the fears that Donald Trump could take the victory in these elections, and most analysts think that this is negative sign for the United States dollar. This is positive for the gold, and this could trigger the further upward action on the gold market and so on. And on that, the A4A market has reached even a bit higher levels of 13/6. We have talked about it yesterday, since this was an extension of some EBCD pattern, so we'll see a bit later on intraday charts. But still, mostly market, it still stands in an area of 1290 resistance, and it still keeps chances on possible drop here. That is major point that we will be watching for in the nearest future, since it should give us the direction. So if markets finally will continue to move higher, that will significantly diminish the chances on the downward continuation here, and probably it will lead to the moving right to the previous stops and so on. But if market will fail to hold here and drop below this line and start to move down, that will tell us that our initial setup is still working and it's still valid. But currently, guys, we need to get a bit more clarity, because this thrusting action brings a bit more uncertainty in this analysis, and we need to get definite signs that indeed market is starting to move down. So that's why currently we will not dare to say that taking short immediately and just possess yourself on this drop. This market is moving to the 12 even. We need to get more signs, because this thrusting action is not stands in a row with what we would like to see initially. It's a bit too fast. That's why we need to get more confirmation from the market of the reestablishing of the downward action. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see this market has completed our target. So we have specified 1618 extension, 13/6. We yesterday have said about it, since we see the signs that market should continue to move high, and next target will be here. It has been reached. Now market stands in the downward retracement. So currently, as this action was really fast, as we said, we probably should treat it yet as a retracement. That's why the first level, the first target of this retracement, we will watch for around 1280. This is confidence support, and this is monthly pivot point. It's very probable this market will show this retracement down, and here we will see what will happen. If market will drop below it, this will significantly increase chance on the normal technical behavior of the market, as we have specified in the weekly research and the setup that we have discussed within the recent couple of months. So market should, after this pullback to the 1290, 1292 area, market should drop to the 12 even. That's our initial setup, and currently it hasn't been destroyed yet totally. It still could work. Uh, and first, we will be watching on this retracement down, and as we expect to see, this market will drop to the 12-8 area, and here we will see what will happen. On the intraday charts, you could see that we have very nice double repo sell pattern. You can see thrust up, close below, close above, close below. This minor candle here was the confirmation of the double repo, or even maybe this one. And market has dropped lower, so market stands right now in downward direction with this nicely looking pattern. So now let's keep watching what will happen. That's our current view on the market. So definitely, if you would like to take the long position and you think that the gold market will continue to move higher, currently it's not the time to do this. It's probably at least wait for some pullback if you still think that this action could be reestablished. But personally, I'm not sure this will happen because a larger technical picture, monthly technical picture, suggests deep retracement on the gold market. And this retracement, and as you understand that the higher time frames are, the stronger setups they form. That's why even this minor rallies that we have on the daily chart, on the intraday chart, is not really very important for high time frames. The fundamental laws of the market action usually works, and they suggest deep retracement on the gold market. That's why I'm still thinking that it's not everything lost yet for downward establishing. Yes, this elections period and this euphoria around the possible Trump win, so on, have brought some adjustment to normal market behavior, but I'm not sure that they will have the very long-lasting effect on the market. So maybe everything will come to a normal action closer to the election date, or by the when we will get the results of the elections. That's why I still think that this downward action could be reestablished. So let's keep watching. Today we will be watching mostly for reaching of the support around 1280 area, and what behavior market will show there.